mix it very possibly. Show exactly what it is. What's happening, everybody? We are back at it. We are doing a reaction in the car because it was raining. As you can see, my editor was also doing the cooking, and it started raining. She had to wrap it up real quick. This is what she put together. I was wrapping up the poles, putting everything together, and she finally got me a fork, got everything together. We're doing a reaction right here in the car. It feels good though. This is one of our favorite spots here at Oyster 3. Let's give this a try. This is cabezon. It's good. It's a white fish. It don't have a lot of that flake in it because I think it's sauteed, so it's just kind of just melting like butter. I don't know if she cooked it with some flavored type of butter, but oh, it's good. It is so fine. If you really want to look for it, you can actually beat the meat up with your tongue, and it'll flake off. So, really good. Let's get a big piece of this big piece right here.
Watch the bones.
Hopefully there's no bones in it. Which actually I can see a little 2 pin bones right there, but in this right here I don't see a bone. Fuel, go, punt, up, up, and away. I said that is good. All right, y'all. That's the lean cod. No, that's not the lean cod. That is the cabezon. Actually, you can see a couple little bones still in there. That's why I didn't eat it all like that. I'm actually going to get the rest of this to the raccoons. I think raccoons eat owls, so I'm going to favor the raccoon. Um, yeah, everybody out there, hit that like button, subscribe. We got more coming your way. Really grateful, really thankful for everybody that's watching the video. Everybody hit that like button. Everybody that subscribed. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Look forward to more coming your way. We got a few more things coming. So stay tuned. You guys have a good day.
We hit 1,400.
Hey, shouts out. We got 1,400. We're on the road to 1,500 now. Hey, look at that. So new goal, new year, right around the corner. So I think within a month we're gonna have a new goal of 1,500. That'd be crazy if we could hit 1,500 in a month. Well, let's see if you guys can help us. Stay tuned.
Seize the day, hit the like button. Seize the day, hit that like button.
Seize the day, like and subscribe.